Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a special guest and we'll see how long she lasts. Can you say hi? Hi everyone! Today we're gonna do a gift guide for all the littles in your life, whether you're a new mom, a mom to be, or you have nieces, nephews, granddaughters and grandsons, or you're just looking for Can you show them how you smile? Okay, so I wanted to do two kinds of gift recommendations. I wanted to do toys just because 'tis the season, but because I am currently drowning in a million toys, I wanted to recommend functional items to gift. So we're gonna do those two categories. I of course made a tab over on my Amazon shop with even more items. Basically, this is an Olivia's favorite. She's almost 16 months, like, can y'all believe? Look at this big girl. Look over there. Big girl. I know this is a hot mess intro, but let's get into it. Okay, so first we have this camera monitor so we can see her in the car seat. It's like a little camera that goes on the seat. What's wrong? On this seat in front of her, and then we get to watch her. I don't know if like the camera quality is showing up, but you just stick it in there, and I mean there's like cables and stuff, but they don't really bother us. The quality is actually pretty good, and it has night vision. This is just like a cute little lounge chair. It's originally under $100, but right now they're on sale for like 50 to 75, and they're personalized. They arrive before Christmas, which is so exciting. They come in different fabrics, and if I'm being perfectly honest, I mean, you can probably tell the Sherpa is not the way to go. Get one of the smooth fabrics because y'all, I mean, you can see how crusty it is. She uses this every single day. She's obsessed with this chair. Probably ever since she could sit up, she's been using this. It's comfy. You could wash it. I actually just ordered the little pull-out version of this chair for her playroom for Christmas. Olivia thought I would get her a little toddler table, and this is so affordable in my opinion. It was $59 for the two chairs and the table. It came in a little set. It also can double as an activity table or like a crafting station. You can put it in their playroom, but we specifically put it in the kitchen so she could eat with us. We just put this here so she could kind of understand that, you know, her baby eats here, since she's like kind of into sharing and feeding the baby and stuff. The placemat is from H&M. This is one of those little toddler towers. She actually does love to get up here. This is the most affordable one that I found off Amazon. It was $74, easy to put together. It's pretty nice and not super bulky. However, if I were to do it all over again, there is one that is a 3-in-1, and that converts into a little table set, kind of like this. We are in Olivia's playroom, and I just wanted to run through some of her favorite toys right now. Some of them she's had for a while now and she has used all this time. Most of them are newer to this age group, more like for toddlers, but I'll link both down below, like my baby finds for when she was under a year old and the ones that I'm getting for her now. This she's had for months now, I think since she was 6 months old. This laundry toy is from Amazon. It comes with like this basket right here, and my husband put it together, so you definitely do have to assemble it. It's not one of those things that you open Christmas morning and it's done, but I feel like this is gonna be useful like when she's a little bit older and like pretend plays. It's so darn cute. I'm obsessed with it, and I think it's like 60 bucks. I think this is a perfect time to get them a little table. This was actually my quote-unquote Easter basket for Olivia. She was pretty young. I think she was 7 months old, but I ended up getting this from Amazon, $50. She's used it non-stop. It really helped her like push herself up to eventually walk. It has a bunch of little toys. How I found out about it, it's because it was in pediatrician's office. It comes with like a little train toy. It comes with like this little rainbow right here. Everything that you see and more. It comes with some little fishies to fish out, and it's just very, very nice. I'll try to find something similar. This comes in a 3-piece set that you could also get, which I think is the best value and the best gift. A stacking toy like this, and then then a rainbow one, I think, and the stacking cups. However, I got all of these separately. I got this when she was maybe 4 months old. She still uses it to this day. They're nice and soft and not too small. And this one I got a few months ago. She is now starting to show interest in putting the pieces back together, so it's definitely more of like a toddler toy. This one I definitely fell for the aesthetic of it. She does like it. It's like a little truck. It's a shape sorter, which I thought she would enjoy because she loves this one, and I'll get to that. And then at the top she can stack them. Either she's too young for this one or she just likes other things better. She does take everything out and tries to like play with the little cart. However, she doesn't really stack them up. I think it's like a little too much going on for her. This one though, she got for her birthday. This is a shape sorter. She has been obsessed with this since her birthday. She plays with it non-stop. We've had to hide it so she actually plays with other toys, pouring everything out and then starting to figure out where to put the shapes. I think this is great. Picking up this was another birthday gift that she is obsessed with. It's like a multi-functional toy. Still found, like, she can mess with it so many ways, which is why I think she loves it so much. It's also so darn cute. It has a bunch of little things that you could do with it. It comes with 2 of these that you put there. It's like the perfect size because it's not too big where it's bulky, but it's also not too small, and I think the price is really good. Olivia loves this one. And it does come in different animal shapes, so if you find this one to be too girly, they do have more like masculine ones, even though I think this is fine for a boy too. And lastly, in the playroom, I wanted to touch on this little section. So the cart is from Target. Got this registry. It also comes with coins, but she is way too young for that. Got this from Home Goods, and then all these soft ones are IKEA except for the bakery ones. Those I got from H&M. The cinnamon rolls, those soft ones, IKEA. Tips thing is also from Magnolia. The pot is from Magnolia. The coffee's from Magnolia. It's all one of our friends got it for her birthday. She freaking loves them. She's not old enough to kind of understand like that we clean with them. Like, she doesn't attempt to clean, she just uses them. These are some oversized letters that are magnetic to go on the fridge. The reason why I wanted something like this was so she could be entertained enough not to mess with things in the kitchen. She actually loves these. They were a bestseller, so you'll love these. They're only $11, and I think this would be a great gift on its own, a great stocking stuffer, a great combination for a gift. And if these colors, you know, are in your aesthetic, I did find a wooden version of Amazon. A few things that I don't have available right now, but I'm going to show you a few clips, starting off with this oversized playpen. I think this is a great idea, especially for a baby shower. That's how we got ours. We don't need it / use it anymore. It did take up a ton of space that we currently don't have. This is also great, especially for people that have pets, especially dogs, bigger dogs. This helped us keep the dogs away from Olivia when she was younger, and we do plan of keeping it. Like, we have it in storage for our next kid. I just feel like she's too mobile now, and she does need to release that energy, which is why we're not using it right now. I want to show you guys because I think this is a great idea. 3-in-1. So it comes with the tent, the tunnel, and a little ball pit with like a basketball thing. This would be so fun. Olivia actually loves hers. I despise the balls, so that's why ours is not currently in use, but she loves crawling in there, like keeping her toys inside. We've actually used it quite a bit since we got it back in June, and it's only $50 and it stores completely flat. I found this rainbow soft play toy at Home Goods. Amazon has some really good options for the rainbow ones, like the arches. They also have just like little shapes. I have a ton in my Amazon shop, but just know these are expensive, so they're definitely a splurge. I think the older they get, the more they use them and like them, so we'll see, but she doesn't play with them too much, if I'm being honest. Also, I wanted to say, this is gonna sound a little hypocritical, I guess, after all the product recommendations I just did. I mean, some people just like to gift physical gifts. However, I did see this TikTok and I'm trying to find it. I will definitely insert it right there so you guys can watch. Technically non-material items that they're asking family members to gift their kids for Christmas instead of toys and things like that. And I think this is such a smart idea. These are more like experiences. Definitely forgot to film an outro. I'm so sorry, but a few things. Number one, I hope this video was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Number two, honestly, y'all, kids are way too young to care about material stuff, especially like toddlers. All they care about is you and spending time with you. So don't feel the need to overspend this holiday season. They really won't remember the toys they had when they were 2 years old. They will remember the memories that you made with them, and that's more important than any material item. Like I said, hypocritical, but you know. Also, I want to give away 2 of those personalized chairs, so comment down below how old your baby is, and I will choose 2 of you. I will comment in your comment from my profile. I won't tell you about Telegram or WhatsApp. That's a scam. Yeah, I think that's everything I have to say. I have my men's gift guide going up tomorrow. I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon.